guys, I'm Julian right now. You're probably guessing we're outside. So, because we've been grilling a lot, me and my dad decided we should get a charcoal grill. So we're gonna be smoking the chicken tikka. Make sure to check out that recipe on the in the description. So we're gonna be cooking it on the charcoal, then smoking it at the end. So let's start. So this is gonna be a charcoal grill 101 kind of video. So this is a chimney starter. The best way to start charcoals. So you want to get some kindling, like paper towels like this, okay? You want to spray it over the grass so you don't get your concrete much. You just want to spray it with an oil spray. Just spray everything that's going to be, spray everything. So now, let's start. So now, put it onto our charcoal grill, onto the grill. Light it on top. There we go. You see that smoke? It takes a while to ignite. There we go. There we go. Wait until it's a massive fiery doom. You might want to blow on it to get some more air into it. And ignite some parts that aren't getting as close as you want to. Make sure to have your air vents wide open and your smokestack open too. Let's try to light any piece of that's not on fire. There we go. Now that it's a piece of fire to do, you get your charcoal starter. You put it on top. You get your charcoal. And if it needs any extra kindling, you think, make sure now, put it in now, okay? So make sure that it won't die quickly. This one looks like it's gonna die a bit easily. So I'm gonna come back with a bit more paper start. So I came back, I sprayed it. Same deal. Hold up the chimney starter. You see how it's died? You see how the fire just died? That's the problem. So, you want to get this. I got a bunch more. You might want to put the chimney starter on top of it at first, so then you can like fit it in. So, I'm just going to do this. Do that. Stuff that in. Put that there. Get the lighter. And let it rip. And just like, that's why they have these little holes on the side for you to ignite it. That's why they have these little holes. We put some wood in there too for some extra kindling. Make sure that it's burning pretty good. There you go. Get your charcoal. We're going to be needing much more charcoal. Not talking about the chimney starters, like we're almost out. Our bag's almost out.
Okay, that's fine. We'll buy them.
So we just let that sit down for 10 minutes. So we'll come back whenever 10 minutes is up. It should be, you should see the fire, like in between. If you want, you can get your tongs or anything that won't burn. You can just make sure that nothing is coming out that's burning, and just make some space for more air to come in. You see that charcoal right there? Right here? Let me show you. You'll know that it's activated whenever it starts to become white. So you gotta just get your tongs and just move them around till everything's white, okay? So we got the charcoal, so not all of it has to be white, but most of it has to be white. So you can use any liquid to smoke it. We're using a ginger ale to get that classic kind of ginger taste, because who doesn't like ginger? So if you are smoking, pour out all your charcoal on one side just on one side. Move your kindling, the stuff that you use to set it on fire. Check that nothing's on fire here, and put it aside. This is pretty screaming hot, so you want to get a few pieces of your wood. I'm using hickory, but you can use maple, whatever. Just drop them in. Try to get like a few in, and try to get them on top of the charcoal. So I'm just gonna use my gloves so I can get like a really good angle. But I think it's really best if you, if you just get all of them, leave one of them in there, pour over some new charcoal so it doesn't die that fast. Make sure that you're pouring it in one place. Make sure that you're pouring it in one place. Then get your charcoal and then your wood. Throw it onto the charcoal. Close it for 5 minutes. Make sure that the vents are wide open. You see that the charcoal's right next to the vents, so I don't want to touch it. Yeah. So just make sure to leave it for about 5 minutes so the new charcoals ignite. Then you want to get something round, metal, something thermally conductive. And you want to pour your water in there, so we're going to be showcasing it in the next 5 minutes, okay? Okay, so you want to spray where you're going to be putting the chicken. Make sure to get it heavily sprayed. Get what you're going to be putting into your pan. Crack it open. And make sure not to touch the charcoals to pour it in. You need something with a wide basis. Then you want to get your chicken. You put them in. It's okay if any extras on there because there's no charcoals on the bottom, so it can't cause a flare out. It might sizzle a little bit because it's because of the spray, but that's all. Just get everything coated. And if you don't think it's easily coated, just grab some masala and just put it on there. I've never had smoked chicken, so this is gonna be a first time thing for me. Put that in. Put all the chicken in. Should we put in all the chicken? So we put some vegetables on it, like lime, corn on cob, onions, etc., etc. We put 1 tomato. So we're gonna be smoking this for 1.5 hours. It may seem like a long time, but we're cooking this by smoke, so it should take a long time. So see you back in we'll see you in 45 minutes to show you how it's doing. So it's been running at 300 Fahrenheit for more than an hour, so let's check it. Okay. So, the thing kind of rusted. It's okay. So let's check it. Yeah, that's fully cooked. Let's check one of they're all legs, so some legs are bigger than the others. So I would say about 5 more minutes. I'm just gonna put this down and just mix around the liquid. This is our first time smoking, so we put into the lemons. Okay, this looks like crispy and everything. So the coals are still alive, so that's good. I would say we would leave that in there for another 5 minutes for the bigger pieces. We remove the water or the liquid that you use. So we just want to move the chicken, and you want to give it a texture from the charcoal. We moved up the charcoal so it could get somehow direct heat. I'm gonna move the vegetables too. Why not? Okay, just move the bigger pieces. The smaller pieces, just like have them on for less time.
Use stick.
No, this one's better. Okay, just like I'm just gonna roll that there too. Gonna get the chicken, put this there, and this little piece stuck on. So I'm just gonna give it a little taste. And I can't. Really intense smoky flavor. So the chicken is a little bit dry, but that's the only thing. So let's take a bite. You can taste the ginger ale though, isn't it? Really chewy. It's really good. I totally recommend this. This is totally worth the wait. So if you want to do this at your house, you can make a makeshift charcoal grill by just getting something metal, buy some grates, buy some charcoal, and then you can just line it up and do it. So hopefully you learned something from this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. My name is Abdul, and watch all my other videos.